I'm Kelly Fifth. Today, Thursday, February 17th, is another day of exaltation. We have an amazing alignment happening in the sky. The planets of Venus, Neptune, Jupiter, and our very own Moon are lining up in a configuration that looks pretty much like a big triangle in the sky. It's called a grand air trine. Well, when I was born, I had a grand air trine in my chart at those precise points. So this is the day I've been waiting for all my life. Ta-da! The sun rises at 7:18 Eastern Standard Time. But right before that, at 5:10, we got Venus making its trine to Jupiter. And that's one point in the grand trine. You got Venus and Neptune getting together down here, taking a trine to Jupiter up here, making both of them making a trine, a creative harmonic angle of 120 degrees over here to the Moon. And when I talk about angles and trines and squares and all that, we're talking basic physics here. You know, in physics, if you send like water at each other, bloop, you know, on a wave table, you know, if you send it at a 90-degree angle, bam, there's a lot of turbulence. So squares are about turbulence, and you know, it's about conflict for growth and passion. But a trine, when you send two waves at each other at 120 degrees, they grow together into a greater wave that it produces more power than they each originally had on their own. So we're talking a triple trine in the atmosphere today. Woohoo! We're talking about making it. I'll give you a picture of what I mean. Like, look right here. This is the picture of what's going on in the sky today. Let me get it right here centered. Okay. Up here at the top of the chart, we have Jupiter in Libra, the planet of expansion and growth through love this year. Down here at the bottom, we got Neptune and Venus in Aquarius, creating a spiritual community vibe. Venus in Aquarius is it's all about turning lovers into friends and friends into lovers. You got the Moon in Gemini, which is the soul of the communicator. Great day for all the air element energies of awareness, ideas, thought, concepts, and knowledge. So this is the grand trine. It draws creative power of the air element and brings it into life, imbuing us with enhanced idealism, inspirational vision, and otherworldly insight. Woohoo! There's a strong feeling for the flow of universal energy, resulting in divine protection. The shadow side, of course, is excessive leisure, laziness, aka also known as laziness. Self-gratification. It's a major intellectual defense mechanism. So everybody's like, I know enough, I know everything. But the key to get past that is to just focus our brain power today. I mean, this is a day of creative expression, idealism, inner vision, mental excitement, artistic creativity and expression, genius. You know, the word genius in ancient times, the Romans used to use it to describe like a cave that had a certain texture that was original. Well, it turns out that genius was only used for like places. But then they saw people with lots of Uranus walking around their chart, lots of Aquarius, people like me, and they said, whoa, these people are walking to the step of a different drummer. When the tribe turned right, they turned left. What's going on? They're the inventors of the tribe, challenging the status quo. But it's an energy of mental versatility and skill and charm. Be at your charming. The Moon is going to be trining Neptune, which creates a very dreamy energy at 7:13. You know, it's like, nee. Good time to listen to the shores of the great silence. Moon trine Jupiter, there's a sense of restlessness in the air at 1 p.m., which is all about like getting your inner horse going on, because Jupiter governs centaurs, philosophers, explorers. So it's a day of feeling like you want to explore the mind. You know, read a good book, have a good conversation, and bring Venus in. Venus is this planet of relationships. You know, the word relate comes from this Latin root, which means to bear anew. You know, as if we've done it before, now we're doing it again. And so it's a relationship. And so Venus is also trining the Moon. A great day for overindulgence, so watch that waistline. Look at me all dressed up here. I got the cosmic weather. I got a beautiful cosmic green here. I decided that since this Grand Trine is happening to my Grand Trine in my natal chart, I decided I was going to dress up for it with a white shirt, just to express the energy of the air element. I wrote a little description about air signs here. Here's what I wrote about air signs. It says here, everybody has air in their chart. You always have the signs of Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius flowing somewhere in your chart. Here's what I wrote. It said, these people are brainy, blessed with intelligence and communication, conception abilities. When I say that, I mean if you have planets in those signs when you were born. You got to get your chart done to understand the total perspective of your flow, of your chart. A chart is a map of your potential. It doesn't show you what you are, but it shows what you can be, So, if you want a full CD version of your astrological chart, don't feel free to contact me, astrologer@kellyleefifths.com. Doing charts all the time. Their focus in life, air signs, is the mental realm of ideas, awareness, knowledge. They're very diplomatic as a result because they see the interconnectedness of life. They thrive in any situation that requires thinking abilities and are experts in the domain of mind and socializing. So that's the air sign basic download for you. Libra is the artist, the diplomat, the peacemaker. Gemini is the communicator, the networker, the Peter Pan of the tribe. That's why I got Moon in Gemini. Kind of like Jim Carrey, He got Moon in Gemini too. We're always like, me! I can still do the splits. I can stand on one hand. All that good stuff. The other air sign, Aquarius, which is my sun sign, is the sign of the cosmic genius. Aquarius is all about being the adventurer, the freedom fighter, taking a road less traveled, walking to the step of a different drummer. So, enjoy this Grand Trine energy today. Do something amazing in the field of mind and mental expression. Get out there on the front lines of life and take all this stuff, the ideas that have been coming down, and bring it into a form. Boom! A structure, because that's the only way it's going to happen if you can get up and go get at it, And any questions, just email me, call me. I'm at 828-281-2832. I'll be able to take your questions. Also check out my rising sign column for this month. I got Rising Sign Astrology up. You can go to risingsignastrology.com and look up your rising sign. If you don't know your rising sign, give me a call. Or there's a link on there for free charts. Go in there, look at your chart. The planet that's on the left of your chart, that's your rising sign. The sign that's rising in the east when you were born. On the left side of the circle, that's your rising sign. And you might be Aquarius with Sagittarius rising, or you might be a Virgo with Libra rising. Your rising sign shows how you look outwardly, how you embody the soul forces that the divine being fused together at the beginning of the universe and pushed out into the great cosmos. I hope you enjoyed this segment of the Cosmic Weather. This is Kelly Lee Phipps. Little martial arts kick there, boom! Because these planets are getting together, creating configurations in the sky. Remember, Psalms 119, and it says, the heavens declare the glory of God. Day after day they pour forth speech. Night after night they revealeth knowledge. There is no speech and no language that does not contain their voice.